Until recently, the machine learning models developed by companies were limited to narrow applications. Image recognition models were trained to excel at identifying objects within images. Speech recognition systems specialized in converting spoken language into written text. NLP models dealt with narrow language tasks such as sentiment analysis or translation. Time series models were used to predict stock prices, market volatility, etc. All these models excelled in a very narrow range of tasks. The introduction of large language models led to a significant transition over the last few years. LLM's complex and sophisticated structure, trained on massive data, allows them to excel in general-purpose tasks. LLM's capabilities are not confined to one or two types of tasks, or are within a single domain. Instead, with some fine-tuning and prompt engineering, LLMs can perform well in many fields. At first, LLMs were purely text-to-text models, generating responses based solely on textual input and output. But it wasn't long before they could work with code and different types of files, such as Excel and PDF, and even read the information in images and videos. Many were surprised by how fast this technology progressed. The point at which LLMs evolved from mere text-to-text frameworks to generating text, code, images, and video marked their transition from strictly language models to more sophisticated multimodal systems. The correct term the AI community used to refer to them is foundation models. This name comes from the idea that these models serve as a foundational layer for various applications across multiple disciplines. Foundation models are enormous, can perform various tasks, and are immensely powerful. According to OpenAI's Sam Altman, few organizations will be capable of building their own foundation models in the future. Big tech firms want to compete in this market, and several governments may wish to create their own foundation model. Everyone else will either build their application-specific in-house models or build on top of the foundation models created by big tech. Or the open-source community may rise to the occasion and prove big tech executives wrong. We'll talk more about that in our future lessons. Thanks for watching.